So in this video, we are going to show you how you can install Google Earth in AutoCAD. Here you can see the Google Earth is running properly and accurately in the AutoCAD. You can search anything. Just imagine we are searching for Eiffel Tower. So it is showing accurate image, and accurate means you can do each and everything what you can do from the Google Earth Pro or on the Google Earth web. So for this, we have to sign in. So just close the AutoCAD and open it again to show you the full process of installing Google Earth. Just open a new file and give the command app load. In AP you can load external applications or VLX file. So just give AP and app load and just press enter and choose for your VLX file for the GR and load it in your file and close. Now you can give the command GR that you have recently added in your AutoCAD. And here is the magic, guys. You can see the Google Earth is properly open in our AutoCAD. So if you want to do a project or you want to mark an area, so you have to log in the Google Earth. So for that, just choose your account. If you want to create a new, so you have the sign in option. Just give your mail ID, or my mail ID civil word, and after signing in, you can do each and everything. Now you can go to the new, and if you want to create a new project for your AutoCAD project or in your AutoCAD, so you can just go to zoom the Google Earth, and you can also search for a location and go to the new and change its name as per your convenience and as per your project, and add a file, or you can choose anything from that. Here I am just marking the area, and it show each and every detailing that is length, breadth, height, and everything in that. And one thing for you guys, if you are new to the channel, so you can subscribe to our channel, and here you will get the Revit playlist. 2 videos are already uploaded, so just subscribe to our channel, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you.